Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to offer you a free website crawl using the professional MOZ Pro tool. So this is quite a premium tool I use to rank and optimize websites with the SEO monitor tool. It gives quite an in-depth information as to what are the current SEO errors or metadata issues that are affecting the overall SEO, and obviously gives a suggestion as to what to improve. So I started doing on-demand crawl as part of the premium website critique for the stores that are not subscribed to the SEO monitor. But because you are a previous customer, I obviously offer always something extra to the previous customers, because I think the loyalty and obviously the extra offers, extra bits should be available to previous customers. So I'll show you an example of the on-demand crawl, which I completed this morning. So this is for a website that purchased a complete website critique, and this kind of on-demand crawl obviously comes in the form of either a CSV, so this is Excel file, or the PDF, which is much more visually appealing. Obviously, CSV is a file that you can work on because all the links are clickable, but PDF is much easier to understand. And so these are the issues discovered in this particular website, and these are the issues obviously that you can pick up if you have this kind of in-depth crawl. So as I mentioned, it's completely free, just for the previous customer, just for my previous customers. So you will have this kind of visual chart as to which are the main issues you should work on, and below you've got more in-depth data. So for example, this is obviously the whole list of the data, is like 172 pages, but you can differentiate which ones are the most critical, or which ones are the most urgent you would like to work on. So for example, title too long, this is not a major issue, but if it's missing description, this is obviously more of an issue that you should address. And this gives you an idea of which pages to optimize, which pages, blog posts, products, or collections obviously need your attention, need the work. So as I mentioned, this kind of on-demand crawl is completely free. If you would like to take advantage of it, please reply to this email with your URL, and this full PDF and CSV on-demand crawl will be then sent to you within 24 hours. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your time, and bye-bye.